So hello everyone. So as of now, I have discussed these three tools, and now let's move to the harvester. So basically, the harvester is a very powerful OSINT tool. Let me write it over. So the harvester is a very powerful OSINT tool. If I go with its GitHub page, it will be showing us the more details regarding that. Like it's an open source intelligence tool, and it helps you to enumerate or get idea regarding the email, subdomains, and name using OSINT techniques. It's a very simple to use and very powerful tool to gather email, subdomain, host name, employee's name, open port related to the target domain using the public sources like it also uses Google search engine, Bing, Yahoo, all the social media, DNS databases, hunter.io, sodan.io. So multiple steps you uses like all of the thing whatever it need and it uses it is being provided over here. So it is a good tool to collect the email information. And so whenever you are using the harvester, it basically find the publicly exposed email addresses for if you are looking for the phishing or a social engineering, you can find those email addresses. If you want to discover the subdomain and infrastructure that is not listed on the main site, you can also look for this particular tool. It is also having a build list of a potential attack vector that you can also use. And basically this tool is also utilized for mapping out the organization digital footprints without sending any packet to the target server, or it's a pure passive recognition. So let me switch back to my Kali Linux. I will be showing like what are the basic syntax for that. And here it will be opening a main menu of this. You can say it's a help menu of harvester, and its version is 4.6.0 right now what I am using. So this is the harvester right now, and we are having the multiple options like -h will allow you to open the help message and exit, then -d to specify the domain that you are willing to scan, then -l for limiting the number of search results, then -s for start, and then -p for if you want to use any proxy for request or and then -s for the sodan, like it will use the sodan to query the discover host. Then similar to that we are having -s for the -n for the DNS lookup, -c for the DNS boot, -f for the file name, and -b to specify the source, like which source you want to utilize to gather the information. So if I look for the basic syntax, it will be like the harvester, and I am just putting -d parameter to give it a domain name. And here let me give a name as a domain name as a facebook.com, and here I will be using -v for assigning it a search engine. So -v, and Yahoo I am putting, so it will be looking for yahoo.com, and it will try to find as much as information regarding that. So it will try to gather the email addresses regarding facebook.com from Yahoo. So it has listed a lot of email for facebook.com. Now no lot of subdomain it has found, and it has not found any email addresses. So it will try to find email, subdomains, and host whatever it will try to find, and whatever it find it will list it out. So here it has listed all the subdomains of a Facebook. So for further scanning you can proceed it with. And we can also use multiple search engines together. So if I if I want to use, let's assume if I also want to add Google together with this, so I will be simply writing it Google. Then if I also need Bing, so I can simply put Bing. I also want to add LinkedIn, so I can also add LinkedIn. So I have listed multiple search engines for this particular tool to scan and get the result. So now okay, so Google, I think Google is not working as a source right now, so I am removing Google, and let me go with these types of a search engine. It's still giving us the error invalid search. Okay, so this parameter is not taking, like multiple parameter part, it is not taking it out. So no, multiple parameter it is not taking. So I will be looking for its help menu again, and I can like list all those search engines together by utilizing -- source. So that I will be also looking for that further. And then we can utilize like you can also set the number of a result that you need. So if I simply go with facebook.com, and I want to take it from the Bing, so I will be simply putting Bing, and I want to just get only first 50 results. So I can simply put 50 and it will be looking for the first 50 results only from the wing. So you can also limit the result, but on wing it has not found anything regarding the facebook.com. So this is the there is no any leaked email or leaked things related to Facebook over this particular search engine, which is wing. So that's why it is not giving us. But yeah, if your target is little weakly configured, you will be definitely finding multiple details. So now I can also use Sudan as a source. So to use Sudan as a source, I will be simply giving -b, and then so if I want to take it out, like here I am just giving it as a Sudan. It is also not taking Sudan as a parameter, because I don't know what is the issue with this tool, but sometimes it works properly and sometimes it doesn't works properly. So here in list we don't have I think we don't have Sudan. That's why it was not giving us the result. So let me go with some other stuff. So I will be checking with Baidu once again. Like let me check with Baidu, is it working or not. So, Baidu, if there is any detail regarding facebook.com over the Baidu, it will giving us the result, but it is giving us okay, I have made a mistake. Baidu I have written, so let me remove it as, and then I will be looking. So now it is going with Baidu and it is looking for all the results. So you just simply put -b and the source from where you want to get the data. So that's what -d to basically specify the domain name, and -l to limit set, like what is the limit you want, and -s to start the result. So and now from Baidu it has given us multiple SSL error. So let me check with virus Yahoo, we have already go. So let me check with GitHub codes, is there anything related to that available over GitHub. So I will be simply putting it out, and I will be putting not Baidu, I will be utilizing, now I will be utilizing once again, let me go with a GitHub code. I will be utilizing GitHub code this time. So here it is, and I am using, I have just pasted GitHub code and removing the remaining stuffs, and once I press enter, now it is looking and missing API because I have not configured API. So multiple websites you can configure, multiple search engines you can configure. So I'm just checking randomly with any of these. So now it's time for I can say DuckDuckGo. So I can simply put DuckDuckGo over here, and it is scanning with DuckDuckGo. And when if it find anything related to facebook.com or DuckDuckGo, it will give us. So on DuckDuckGo it has find 5 subdomains, and here it is. So that's how it will be working. Like if you are working as a penetration tester, if you want to collect the meals or anything, you can look like it is a best OSINT for or tool for OSINT for email, subdomain and employees information gathering. And basically it is doing a passive recognition, doesn't touching the target server directly, and it is taking the source like Bing, Baidu, hunter.io for their taking details gathering, and it provides you all the details, and you can also get the details in HTML or CSV format also. So this is like a very initial phase of any penetration testing distro, any penetration testing process. So this is a very first process, which is information gathering. So you will be doing great with this particular tool. So try to do this out, and in next video I will be looking for more tools like DNS enum and DNS record. I will be looking further. So that's all for this part.